Click cell E4. Type Dean Liu at glacierice.com in cell E4. You want to enter email addresses in this column based on the franchise owner's first and last names, shown in columns C and D respectively. Press and enter. Excel formats the entry as an email address and moves the pointer to cell E5. Type LAU in cell E5. As you type, Flash Fill suggests an entry for cell E5 based on the value and formatting in cell E4. Flash Fill suggests entries for the remaining cells in the column as well. Press Enter. Excel enters the values in the remaining cells and advances to cell E6. The Flash Fill Options button that appears lets you make further changes if desired.